to this original beach home here in North Wildwood. We've been waiting for you. Come inside and let's take a peek. This redone home was originally built in the early 1900s, and we've got some new hardwood floors, fireplace, complete remodel, fresh paint. Fun pass-through to serve the kids. Great 12-inch tile floors, all ceramic. This is a heated floor, which is fantastic. The radiant heat's amazing. Let's head on upstairs where we can check out the 3 bedrooms and a beautifully remodeled bathroom. Come on, let's go. This home also features 2 additional bedrooms on the 2nd floor, 2 guest rooms, queen size in this room. All the bedrooms come with nice sized closets and of course, ceiling fans to keep that air moving. One of the unique features of this master bedroom is great hardwood floors, but we've got a nice deck outside. Great spot for coffee. Completely remodeled bathroom that also has a stackable washer and dryer for some safe space. On the 3rd level of this grand home is a massive room. Kids, grandkids, crafts, game room. Come on up, let's take a peek. Plenty of room for everybody. As you can see, this spacious Victorian beach home can certainly accommodate a large family and friends. But there's more. Let's head downstairs to the basement where I've got some surprises for you. Let's take a peek. This ground level here of this home also features a powder room and some additional storage. Could be used for sleeping in the summer. But we're not done. There's a little more. Let's head out back and check out the guest cottage. Let's go. This bar and lounge downstairs where you can meet with your friends and family for a cocktail, and this great rear cottage, separate utilities. You could use it as a rental property or simply put extra friends or family. This adorable cottage features 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. And again, with the separate utilities here, we can make a fantastic year-round or seasonal rental property. Thanks again for joining us in this home tour of 208 East 12th Avenue. Please like us and follow us for more home tours here at the Jersey Shore.